To sleep in Italian is dormire. To open, aprire. To hear or to feel, sentire. To leave, to depart, partire. To offer, offrire. To follow, seguire. To serve, servire. To discover, scoprire. To cover, coprire. To lie, mentire. To understand, capire. To finish, finire. To prefer, preferire. To clean, pulire. To build, costruire. To send, spedire. To betray, tradire. To suggest, suggerire. To forbid, proibire.